Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So I have a couple of paintings and then I have a new offering from Fansells, which I'm quite excited about. Ooh. So let's have a look at a couple of the paintings first. Let's go big first. So this one is a 40 by 60 painting. I actually think I've ordered this from two different companies. I'm pretty sure it was this one. So you may see this in unboxing in the future. Every now and then a painting does grab me. I can't necessarily tell you why it's grabbed me, but it's definitely grabbed me enough to order it twice. Oops. But this is a 40 by 60. It is a round and it has 24 different colours, but how gorgeous is that? It's beautiful. I have nowhere to put it in my home, but it just, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the fading. I don't know. It just grabbed me. So much so that you're going to see it again. I can't remember off the top of my head which company it is that I ordered the other one from, and whether their video will go up before or after this one. So I'll try not to dilly-dally on this one for too long because you're going to see it again. But it does come with a toolkit. The actual size of this one is just short of 35 by just short of 55 centimetres. So do take 5 centimetres off for the border, but I do just think it's beautiful. It does have some 310, but it is primarily in the likes of these shadows. It's not in the actual design itself. The diamonds actually come on a strip as well. So I'll do a quick run through the sorts of colours that you get. Oh, look at those. Just gorgeous. Like, it's not quite full on bright, but it's not dull either. Some of these colours are just, those two together, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We do of course have greys and blacks as well, just a little bit of white. But yeah, we have some absolutely gorgeous colours in that one. So I'm going to pop those over there. I'll fight with those in a moment. So that's painting number one that you'll see again. Then for painting number two, this one is a 30 by 30. I think it's also in round. It is. It's also in round. You do also get a toolkit. This one is just so pretty. Again, maybe it's the sort of watercolory, I don't know, maybe I just was having a phase when I ordered these, but it is just short of 25 by just short of 25 for the actual design area. But we have a watercolor butterfly with flowers. It does have 3865 as the background, but some beautiful colors otherwise. I mean, just look, we have a mixture of a few bright ones mixed in there. That green's a bit bright, that pink is, but then we have a couple, and we have more that I'd call your muted pastel type colours. We do have a little bit of black. That again is primarily to give you this shadow in here with the butterfly, and then that is surrounded by some 550, so some dark purple, black to purple to the colours, and then we do have quite a fair bit of white, but there may be a couple of sections where you feel you're doing white for a bit, but then you will definitely get some colour thrown in there. So that's painting number two. The other thing I'm rather excited about, there is a few different options for these, but you can now get AB diamonds from Fansells. So this is going to be fun to add to my stash later. But there is a couple of different options to choose from. More so than picking the individual colours, they have a couple of different collections that you can choose from. There is quite a few like different colours in each collection. And I chose this one. I think it was because it did have quite a few different sort of pinks in it. Pink seems to be something I'm quite lacking in my AB collection. And this has got quite a few. So they do have DMC numbers. And I did choose square because I primarily put ABs on my Paint Gem mini paintings. That's when I tend to mix it up. So I wanted ABs that I could mix in on there. So we've got 818 and 819, 602, 963, 603. Then we've got more of a beige, 648, quite a nice one. We've got 550, 746, they're sort of purples. Oh, we've also got 3727 in a pink. I think it was because it had quite a few pinks in that I went for it. But then we've got 972 and 740. They are a little bit more popular. We've got some 5200, can never go wrong with any of that. 3801, 606, 817 and 666. Then we have 720, 3328. We've got 834 and 444 in yellows. Brownie colours, 3861, 840, 842, 436. We've also got 898 and 3371. So that's quite a dark. Greens, 3072, 904 and 890. Oh, we've also got 701. I can't remember if it does list the colours. It might do on the website, but I've actually got 2996. That's another popular AB colour. 3760, 823 and 820. So quite a few different ABs there for a really good price. So I'm quite excited to get these added into my AB collection to give me more options. It looks like you get about 5 grams of each because it does have -5 and yeah, say there's a few different options that you can choose from in relation to round, square, what set you want, whether you want, I think there's a big set or a small set as well. So definitely check out the link for these if you want to add a few more ABs to your repertoire as your choices for things. But I was quite happy that the pinks were a nice selection of different pinks, because I say that one I'm quite lacking in my AB choices, so it would be nice to add some more of those. I'm actually pretty sure I went through quite a bit of my yellow as well, so it's nice to add a few more to my mix. But I will pop links to all of these down below so that you can have a look. Or of course you can go and have a wander, click on any of the links and go and have a wander around the site. They're forever adding new things. I'm forever compiling lists of things that I like, which is probably why I've ended up with 2 of this. This is probably one that I put on my list a bit ago, and then when I've ordered for another company I've gone, oh, I mustn't have got that, and not realised that it was already on my list. So if anybody does have any particular paintings that maybe they really like from Fansells, but they would like to be able to see me unbox it so that they can see what it's like, don't hesitate to let me know. And, you know, provided it is something I can show, I'll be more than happy to add it to my orders list. Because it's always tough choices every single month. There's just so many to choose from. It's always hard. So taking a little bit of guesswork out of that will be helpful for me, and hopefully it will be helpful for you. But anyway, thank you all so much for joining me for this video, and I will speak to you all again soon.